Trayson, say hey to everybody. Trayson keeps trying to get out of his bumbo. Cindy tries to get out of her bumbo sometimes too. She just made a great dinner. What is it, Cindy? Squash?
Yep, squash. Spaghetti squash.
Spaghetti squash.
Spaghetti. Spaghetti?
Mm-hmm.
Spaghetti with spaghetti squash?
And here's some crust to a pizza. What kind of pizza is that?
A gross kind.
Gross.
What
Worst
was it?
pizza ever.
Alfredo? Spinach?
Spinach Alfredo or chicken Alfredo or something like that. From Papa John's. We were, it was a suggestion from one of our good friends. Worst idea ever. So we took, we just ate the crust. Like that's our bread for tonight. But Cindy's a great cook. No, you should finish that. It's actually really, really good. It's really filling. Trayson, you want some?
Maybe you had like nothing.
Yeah?
Oh, it's because you got done with practice, huh? You don't like to eat after practice.
Oh, no, I do. You are so cute.
Yeah, I'm back.
You can almost get out.
We shouldn't have purchased the bumbo.
I know, right? I don't think we
Are you
should.
still recording?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Should we purchase a bumbo or not? Well, we're gonna have other children.
That's true.
Most likely.
Mm-hmm. But we could always purchase a bumbo later.
Purchase. Yeah, but we'll get our money's worth more if we purchase it now.
Yeah, but inflation, and I'll bet we can find a better deal on a bumbo if we look for it for a while. Don't you think, buddy?
That's not what you said about your motorcycle.
Hey, that was a low blow.
Maybe you should turn the camera on yourself and smile.
This is the type of conversations we have at the dinner table.
Babe, turn the camera on yourself.
No, you're so much prettier than me.
No, seriously, please do it for me.
Are you pregnant?
I am?